What's up, Steve Jackson fans? Kickstarter Batman is finally here. Misty, I hope you're watching. One of these is coming to you, as you well know. Okay, so the only two add-ons well, two of the three. The third add-on was the mystery box that we got that we already did the unboxing for, but Munchkin, Turtle Change, Carnage, sorry, and another deck of Munchkin dice. We'll figure out what to do with them. Maybe regift them, but that's the fun thing about picking up for sale is grabbing mystery Christmas gifts. Okay. So you've got Jackson's Game, Batman, Munchkin. Okay, let's see what fun we got. We've got Batman Bat Computer Suite, calculating your enemy or your power. Blank cards, because you always need blank cards. D6, 66 Munchkin dice to go with the Batman. And Batman bag. That's awesome. And then the Munchkin Batman game. Huge shout out to Steve Jackson Games. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure supporting your Kickstarters and all your crazy Munchkin games. Thanks so much, guys.